Hey, look, we in Maytown Studio, right? Check this out. Look, we got sounds in this bit.
What it do? What else?
We got a little bit in here. I'm just call a little bit, tall a little bit. Now y'all check this out. See money ass. Listen this nigga.
What do that spell?
Listen to this. See money.
B.
See money.
Oh.
See money. Hey, that nigga a Z dog. See money.
He said he a Z dog, not a Q dog.
This nigga a Z dog. That boy a rock
Man,
star.
this new Z shit, man. I had going, man. I was just practicing a new move for the college. You know what I'm saying?
What
I'm finna go on
college?
tour.
What
Going
college?
to college tours, Budweiser College.
Okay,
It's a new
cool. I'm there
university
too.
started.
I enrolled in that
College called
motherfucker.
Budweiser College. You know what I'm saying? It's new shit I started out, so y'all be in tune with
Look at
it.
see money.
Shit, what
Y'all
else
heard
can I
this step
say?
nigga. The nigga practicing for his probate already.
Probate. Yo.
Nah, tell them niggas to buy some beats. You know?
Yeah, you can buy some beats too. We got beats to make you happy. We got we got drunk beats. We got all kind of beats.
I
The
drank.
beats you need, sex beats, nasty beats,
We in here.
scary beats, horror beats, any kind of beat you,
Board money.
country,
Country.
anything.
Rock
You
and roll.
know what I'm saying? They
Gospel,
corner
we do
sound
gospel.
right here.
We do gospel. too.
Corner sound, we got gospel. Yo, we got gospel.
Now, how y'all gonna say gospel when everybody been in there trying drinking? There you go.
This is the gospel.
It ain't gonna
Let's
say.
go,
We
gospel.
like to hurt.
We know we are Z coming from the car.
Hey,
Why?
Get the bag.
Hey,
Get the tie. Alright, but yeah,
man,
We got the,
down to finish.
yeah, we got corner sounds in this motherfucker. Like I was saying, see money in this motherfucker. You know how we get now, man. We just in this motherfucker trying to make a hit.
Be crazy.
You know what I'm saying? Gonna be crazy. Yeah, beat. They done called, you know, this a drunk beat because it's called Wiser.
It's mine.
Budweiser. That's why
Y'all
I
get you
named
one.
it.
Feel it.
Corner sound.
Feel it.
Hey, W-E-I-S-E-R.
It might be.
Wise. Yeah, nigga, wise.
Corner sound beat, get you one.